Hi, I'm Anna. This is my new project, Yaskawa Robotic Waterjet project. Yaskawa GP25 double robot arms. We are loading the framework into the container. Now the framework of the robotic waterjet has been basically finished. Let's look forward to the next step.
This is my robot Waterjet machine new order, equipped with ABB 1600 robot arms.
Hello, I'm Sunny from Waterjet. Today, I will show you our new set of robot Waterjet cutting workstation. It is a second floor design with 3 ABB rotor arms and with the rotary cutting table. Hello, I'm Sunny from Waterjet. Today, I will show you our another new set of robotic Waterjet cutting workstation. It is high-end with highly productive workstation. Its advantage of this solution is with pen and flavor cutting table. Today is the shipping day. Behind me, the set of robot Waterjet cutting workstation is ready for ship.
Hello friends, behind me is our customized robotic high-pressure cleaning station. It is for aerospace. Let's see how it works.
Waterjet!
With our ultra high pressure pump, we're cutting thick metal with our large format water jet. This is 100 millimeter. This is 50 millimeter. And this is 25 millimeter. This is our ultra high pressure pump.
Hi, I'm Anna from Waterjet. This is my new device, 3 by 10 meters large platform waterjet cutting machine, AC 5-axis cutting head, equipped with laser measurement system.
This is the new set of high-end AC-style waterjet cutting machine.
Hi, I'm Julie. My new order, 4 meter by 2 meter dual 3-axis waterjet machine I sold. Lately, we will show you how it works. This is a dual-axis cutting head machine cutting effect.
This is Waterjet. We are manufacturer for self-developed high-pressure waterjet tube.
As a manufacturer of high-pressure tube, we have independently developed Waterjet high-pressure tube and offer a free coiling machine with purchase.
Hello friends, this is Charles. Right now I'm in our workshop. And today I will show you about our 100 horsepower intensifier pump. which can support 5 cutting heads at the same time.
Hello, this is Waterjet. Behind me is our factory with all sorts of equipment. We're manufacturing Waterjet machine here. Let me show you. Right now, our workers are busy working. Let's go around. This is our bending machine. It's working. And here is another laser machine. And right now, it's unloading materials. This is our welding part, manufacturing Waterjet machine frame. If you need any help, call me.